Hello grade 9, how are you doing? Today we are going to start our first lesson for this year, and today's topic is the rational and irrational numbers. Let's remember with the meaning of rational numbers. The rational number is a number can be written in the form of a over b, and b doesn't equal 0. Such like 2 over 7, 3 over 4, 8 over 10, and also 3. 3 can be written in the form of a over b, 3 over 1. So what is the irrational numbers? The irrational numbers are the numbers we can write in the form of a over b, and let's see how. Look at this table. Here we have the square root of 36. Can we get 36 out of the root? Yes, right. Let's factorize 36. 36, it's 6 times 6. This means the square root of 36 equals 6. So we can break down the root here to be 6. So the square root of 36 is a rational number. Okay. What about 48? Let's factorize 48. It's 6 times 8. And 6 is 2 times 3, 2 times 4, 2 times 2. Look at here, we have 2 4 times and 1 3. So we can factorize 48 to be 4 root 3. Look at here, we have a root. We can break down this root. So this number is an irrational number. Okay, let's see the second one, the square root of 64. 64 can be factorized to be 8 times 8. So the square root of 64 is 8, and 8 here is a rational number, correct? Okay, 84, can we take it off the root? Now we can, so it's a rational number. The cubic root of 100. Can we simplify or break it down? 100. It's 10 times 10. 2 times 5. 2 times 5. So we can take the 100 of the cubic root. So the cubic root of 100 is an irrational number. Okay, guys, let's see the next question here. Look at these numbers and write the irrational number. The irrational number is the number we cannot write in the form of a over b. So here, 12.77 can be written in the form of a over b. So it's a rational number. Negative 36 is the same. Square root of 27, can we write in the form of a over b? Can we take it from the root? 27 is 3 times 7, right? 3 times 9, 27. 3 times 9, and 9 3 times 3. So gonna be 3 root 3. So it's a rational number. Okay. The square root of 500. Can we take the 500 out of the root? Okay, the 100 here can be taken out of the root to be 10 root 5. So it's an irrational number. 61 over 12, it's a rational number already. And negative cubic root of 8. 8 is 2 times 2 times 2, so it can be negative 2. It's a rational number. Okay, guys. Okay, and here, letter B, write the integers. Where are the integers here? Negative 36. Okay, what else? We are negative cubic root 8. Okay, look at number 3 here. Write whether each of these numbers is an integer or a third. Okay, integer means we can take it of the root, and third means it's just a root and we can take it or break it down. So here, letter A, the square root of 25, it's 5, so it's an integer. Integer. Letter B, the cubic root of 25. If we break down, 25 is 5 times 5. So we cannot uh, make it as an integer, so it's a third. The square root of 125, let's break it down. 125 is going to be 5 times 5 times 5. So we cannot take it or break it down. So it's going to be 5 root 5. It's a third. The cubic root of 125. 125 is 5 times 5 times 5. So it's an integer. The square root of 225. 225 is 15 times 15. So it's an integer. And last one is a cubic root of 225. It's a third. Okay, let's see number 4. Is each of the following numbers rational or irrational, and give the reason. Okay, if we look at the first one here we have root 3 plus 6. Here we have a board as an irrational number. So all the number is an irrational number. Is irrational? Okay, look at here. Here we have 3 plus 6 under the root. So we find the sum. Here 3 plus 6 is 9. The square root of 9 is 3. So it's a rational number. Okay, letter C. Here we have the square root of 64, which is right 8. And the cubic root of 64, which is 4. So here it's irrational. Okay, look at D. The cubic root of 8 is 2, and the cubic root of 19 is still cubic root 19, so this one is an irrational number. Okay, guys. Here we have extra practice. Number 1, find 1.5 square. 1.5 square can be written in the form of 15 over 10 squared. This means we need to square the denominator and the numerator. Let's see how. 15 power 2, it's gonna be 225, and 10 power 2 is 100. So we can write it in the form 2.25. Okay. Letter B, show that the square root of 2.25 is a rational number or not. Okay, let's see. Can we take it out? 225 over 100. The square root of 225 over 100. Can we find the square root of 225? Yes, it's 15, right? So it's 15 over 10. Okay, is 20.25 a rational number? Give a reason. Here we can write it in the form of like that. Okay, exactly here. This number, if we break it down, it's gonna be like I think it's 20 times 20 or some number else, but 100 gonna be 10. So we put it like that, and we can break it down to 725. It's 5 times 4, then 0, 1. I think it can be because we can take this number out the root. Okay, the rational number of this number is cubic root 1.331 is a rational number and give a reason. So let we have a space here. The number was the cubic root of, I need to remember, 1 point. Okay, we need to factorize the number to can break it down and see. This number is like that over 1000, and we need to find the cubic root. Let's factorize 1331. This number divisible by what? It's not divisible by 3, not divisible by 2, maybe divisible by 7. I'm not sure, but let's try. Here, okay, gonna be 553 divided 7, gonna be 7. 1331 divided by 7 equals now divided by. So if we can break it down, this means this number is a rational number. Okay, let's see here. Without using a calculator, show that the cubic root of 41 between 3 and 4. Let's see how to take it out. 3 less than cubic root 41. Okay, guys, let's see here. How can I change these numbers into cubic roots? What is the cubic roots which equals 3? It's 27, right? Okay, and what is the cubic root which equal 4? It's, yes, 64. So the cubic root of 41 is correctly between 3 and 4. Okay, guys, let's see here. Here we have a Venn diagram show all the numbers on the number line. A is a set of integer, B is the set of rational numbers. Okay, copy the diagram and put each of these numbers in the correct place. This means we need to classify the numbers to be in which set, A or B. Okay, 25. 25 is an integer, so we gonna put it in A. Okay, 5.5 is a rational number, so we put it here in the place of B. Okay, 5 and 5 over 19 is a rational number, so we put it in B. 5 over 15. The square root of 25, which is 5, so can be written in the A place. the cubic root of 25. Okay, we can take it out. So it's gonna be in B, in the circle or Venn diagram B, cubic root of 25. Okay. Look at number 13. If n equals 20, find the value of f. Find the value of number A, root root n plus 2. So we need just to replace the value of n by 2. So letter I is gonna be root 20 plus 2. Okay, next one here is gonna be root 20 minus 2. Here we need to find the value of the two irrational number. Here it's gonna be 20 plus 2 multiplied by root 20 minus 2. Okay, guys, let's see how to solve it. Here you know, to find the product of two brackets, we're gonna multiply each number in the bracket by the other two numbers. So let's start by root 20. Root 20 by root 20 is root 400. Root 20 by negative 2 can be negative 2 root 20. 2 by root 20 here this time equals plus 2 root 20. 2 up by negative 2 gonna be negative 4. Look at here, negative 2 root 20 and positive 2 root 20. We can simplify them together. So the answer is root 400 minus 4, which is 20 minus 4, which is 16. Till now we have finished our first lesson. See you next time. Goodbye.